Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing on my COVID-19 series uh, regarding different questions or different doubts which might be coming in everyone's mind, that when and how does the coronavirus pandemic end, and also someone might be thinking that is there any normalcy following lockdown over. So these are the present questions or doubts, you can say, might be prevailing in everyone's mind. So first of all, let me clear you guys that there is no timeline for this coronavirus pandemic. Then other aspect what I want to tell, that how does coronavirus pandemic end. As you know, according to general consensus, that coronavirus pandemic will end by establishment of herd immunity. Herd immunity, also called as community immunity, or that social immunity. So herd immunity is nothing but a indirect protection to the whole community, and also it will give protection to those people who never have been exposed to any virus, particularly here we are talking about coronavirus. So how does herd immunity will develop? It is acquired through getting exposed to this coronavirus infection, and second thing is through immunization. So till now there is no development of vaccine against this coronavirus. And other aspect which today's discussion is how to develop herd immunity. Herd immunity is when there will be a certain percentage of population will get infected or get exposed to any new virus or new strain of any infectious agent. They will develop certain protective elements in the form of antibodies. So antibodies is a neutralizing agent, neutralizing substance which developed in a body following any infection. So when certain percentage, according to research scientists here, for the coronavirus pandemic, at least 55% of population across the community or across the country needed to develop herd immunity, so that there will be every chance to protect entire community. So that is the sole idea of herd immunity, to control or to halt this coronavirus pandemic. Then how long it will take? How can we develop herd immunity? So developing herd immunity, it will take time, and it is a gradual and a sequential event. See, now at the one end people are getting infected, and certain very less percentage population are dying from this COVID-19, hardly 2 to 3%. So but majority population, majority persons are surviving to this COVID-19. So they are going to get immunity to second infection or reinfection to this same strain of virus. So this percentage of population, or these numbers of population, well, they will be at least 55% in a community or in a population. So they will give herd immunity, and they will protect to the whole immunity. How does it happen? Herd immunity how can help in preventing further infection to, or further protection to whole community. Just I will give you example, that suppose when one person get infected with coronavirus, and he survived, and he will develop antibodies against the coronavirus. Suppose he will get re-exposed to same coronavirus, then there will be neutralization of virus, and the virus will be dying out of there on itself. So there will be no transmission further, and also this method, this kind of immunity in a population, prevent further progression of disease, and at the end virus will disappear from the community. So this is how the benefits of hard immunity, and this is what when any country or any large chunk of population will acquire this hard immunity, then there will be no dangerous to coronavirus. Coronavirus will die out in a human body itself. So this is all about hard immunity. Second, see, till now there is no vaccine. Till now there is no vaccine developed yet against this coronavirus. We don't know how much time it will take. Developing a vaccine is not a easy process. It takes time. It requires a series of tests, and it has to go different phases of trials. Then only we can stamp it as effective and have a safety features, so that everyone can accept this kind of vaccination or immunization program across the globe, and result of which we can defeat this coronavirus pandemic. So this is all about today's discussion regarding hard immunity and these vaccinations. So other aspect which might be thinking across the society is there any normalcy following lockdown hour? Guys, there is no easy going following lockdown hour. You cannot have a normalcy actually following lockdown hour. You have to follow all the strict guidelines whichever to be provided by our health department or WHO. So we have to follow, even at all after this lockdown hour, we have to follow all the norms, all the guidelines which will be provided. So there will be no easy going following lockdown hour. So this is all about my today's video regarding coronavirus pandemic. Subsequently, I will be discussing and a different scenario of coronavirus infection and many more to come. Till then, everyone stay safe. Bye.